Yeah, my shoes have green in them too. It's a color that I happen to like. After 9/11, I decided enough of like kind of the dark black look. Let's not look all depressed and sad all the time. So I don't have much black clothes, but I'm more depressed and sad than I was ever at 9/11. So part of it is getting older. You see parents die and get old, and you see more tragedies as, here or there. You see the more unfortunate side of things if you're not, kind of blind to it. I think, I'm always apologizing for not being an up person. And I certainly like having a good time and try to do what I can to make somebody else have a good time. But underlying it all, I'm like in terror of the angst in the world. My name is Carol, and I live in Midtown.